G here from OG Creations. In last week's video, I made a pair of joggers that embodied winter in the Pacific Northwest, where if it isn't currently raining, it's about to, or it just did. Endlessly gray, and at times so gray that the streetlights come on at noon. I'm one of the strange few that absolutely love it. I also wanted to recreate that feeling of raindrops in the early afternoon darkness, while actually using real raindrops at the same time. I love the way that the joggers turned out so much, I wanted to make a hoodie using the same technique, but applying the colors in a different pattern. I start with a Cotton Heritage 100% cotton-faced unisex premium pullover hoodie in white. Using the Geode technique, I gather the material in small sections and secure it with a rubber band, moving down an inch or so and secure it in again. I repeat this over and over again until I have a big knotted ball. I then soak the hoodie in a soda ash bath for 20 minutes and set it aside for 24 hours until it's practically dry. When deciding colors, I knew I wanted a rich, dark hue. Unfortunately, one of my favorite colors from Dharma is Raven Black, and it's been running a lot bluer. Basically, it's just navy blue at this point. I knew I still wanted to use it, so decided to play with the blue hues instead of gray. I wanted to create that contrast of light to dark when you look at a raindrop through your window, so went with Robin's Egg Blue and Grecian Blue. I applied the dye powders from light to dark on the tips where I've gathered more material. Once the entire hoodie is covered in dye, I then top it with soda ash. I noticed that my Grecian Blue dye powder was a little clumpy, so I mixed 3 parts soda ash and 1 part of the powder, and we're good to go. Wanting the hoodie to be completely saturated in color, I flip it over, apply the colors using the same pattern, and top with more soda ash. It had just finished raining when I got the dyes applied, so I figured I would make it rain myself by using the HWI method, or hot water irrigation. Using my plant mister, I spray water all over the fabric until it's soaked through, and then set it aside for 24 to 48 hours in a warmer space, somewhere between 65 and 70 degrees. The hoodie is rinsed in cold water and then ran through the laundry using a cold water cycle and then a hot water cycle. It is dried completely, ironed, inventoried, and ready to ship. I'm happy but not thrilled. I love the pattern, but the color doesn't pop the same like it did on the joggers. This was the first time I've used Cotton Heritage, and they must have a polyester backing in this fabric. Good to know for the next time. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comment section what you would like to see created next.